So in general, we create high-end hydronic heating systems that are intended for Class Bs, Class As, a wide variety of the RV market. Aqua-Hot's goal really is to make you feel as comfortable on the road as you do at home. My name is Trenton. I'm the sales representative here at Aqua-Hot. So our goal is to continue to be the premier leader in RV hydronic heating systems. So Aqua-Hot's parent company is Airxcel. We work very closely with Airxcel. And Airxcel is the largest manufacturer, producer, and designer of additional RV equipment. So we spend a lot of time in the field going to trade shows, listening to our OEM partners, interviewing them, and taking that feedback back to our engineers. We spend a lot of time and money on research and development. So our goal is really to take the information that we receive from the people who are actually camping, who are spending time in these vans, taking that information back to our lab, developing new products, and continuing to innovate. I think that really separates us versus our competition. You're not even going to see the Aqua-Hot generally. It's most of the time built into the van itself. What you will see is our innovative touchscreen. So we have a small touchscreen that's implemented into your van, and you have full control over the climates that are in that van. So from a usability standpoint, it's very straightforward. If you pull into a campground, the first thing you want to do is plug into shore power if that's available. If you find yourself boondocking, shore power is not available, we can support either or both. We hope to continue to grow our brand and partnering with people like Tourig, high quality builders like yourself. We know that we can continue to match our quality products with your quality products to meet the need that our customers are asking for by name.